You, the 2018 Sierra 1500. The GMC Sierra is a full-size pickup with all the functionality you could expect. With multiple trim levels, the GMC Sierra provides a wide range of features for you to enjoy. Power and advanced technology can both be found in this fantastic truck. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: air conditioning, bed liner, dual zone climate control, off-road package. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.